require either of two arguments using Argparse. Given. How do I make at least one of foo, bar mandatory, foo x, bar y, and foo x bar y, are fine, make at most one of foo, bar mandatory, foo x, or, bar y, are fine, foo x bar y, is not.
I think you are searching for something like mutual exclusion, at least for the second part of your question. This way, only foo or bar will be accepted, not both. BTW, just found another question referring to the same kind of issue.
If you need some check that is not provided by the module, you can always do it manually.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.